as identification. That is until October 1st, 2020. After that, a normal driver's license won't work at airports. You'll need a real ID. The Secretary of State's office has started the rollout for the new form of identification. You can get them at any DMV in the state. The fee is the same as renewing your driver's license. The only visual difference between the driver's license and the real ID was that little gold star at the top right corner. You are not required to make the change.
You have a choice. You can apply for a real ID driver's license or ID card, or you can apply for a standard driver's license or ID card. It just depends on your needs. If you're someone who doesn't fly domestically, you may not need a real ID driver's license.
The process for getting a real ID will take a few minutes longer than getting a driver's license because more paperwork is required. So here's what you need: a proof of identity, proof of your social security number, 2 forms that prove residency, and a written signature. Also, if you have changed your name, you must have documentation of that change. There's a lot, so just go to our website, WCIA.com. The Secretary of State has a checklist showing what you need. You'll notice some more activity in Monticello soon. The city is working to improve old roads and walkways.
The 2 big projects are near Market and Washington and Bridge and Marion Streets. WCIA 3's Jamie Mays is live in Monticello. Jamie, when does this all get started?
Paul, I sat down with the project manager and he says they hope to start this summer. The goal is to make everything from driving, walking, even biking much easier in these parts of town. Pam Ashcraft has worked as a florist in downtown Monticello for years. She says recent weather wasn't just rough on some of the plants.
Winter has been terribly hard on our streets.
Now the city is putting in money to improve the area.
Bridge and Marion streets here in town are going to be resurfaced with new hot mix asphalt, and we'll also do some repair to the concrete curb and gutters, and then new ADA compliant sidewalk ramps.
They're also putting in a pedestrian crossing near Washington and Market Streets.
It'll include streetscaping along some of the businesses that haven't had it done yet.
That includes beacons so people can more easily cross the street.
It'll make access to the downtown businesses easier and more safe.
Anytime you can help with tourism and locals being able to enjoy everything that Monticello has to offer, I think that's always a positive.
These projects will cost about $1.5 million. Most of that comes from motor fuel taxes, but bids have to be put out before construction starts. They're hoping to start that process in the next couple of months.
The people that drive on it every day, they're going to be much happier with some nicer pavements as they don't have to dodge potholes.
City leaders say there are about 10 to 15 other smaller projects that are also in the works. Ashcraft hopes it all helps the city grow.
I'm hoping that that will allow more visitors to experience downtown Monticello and what we have to offer.
There is no firm end date on when these projects will be complete, but the goal is to have Washington and Market Streets done by September so it does not impact Monticello celebration. Live in Monticello, Jamie Mays, WCIA 3, your local news leader.
All right, Jamie, thanks. Monticello Schools is starting construction this summer. In May, it will start on the high school's multi-purpose gym, classroom addition, and auditorium. In July, the old Washington School will be torn down to make way for renovations to